Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start right away. Place the watch face down on a soft cloth and orient the strap so the lug gap is visible. Use a small flat screwdriver or spring bar tool. The reason is control. This tool compresses the spring bar without gouging the lug. Once you see the exposed end, angle the tool parallel to the strap and apply gentle inward pressure toward the strap center to unseat the bar. Keep fingers steady. Sudden slips scratch the case or bend the bar. Now you compress the spring bar and remove the strap. Place the tool tip on the exposed shoulder and push inward toward the strap center while slightly lowering the strap to clear the lug. The why is simple. Compressing shortens the bar so the shoulder clears the hole. Once the shoulder clears, slide the bar sideways and let the strap drop free. Catch the bar or keep it in the strap slit so it doesn't fly away. Repeat carefully on the opposite lug. Finish by inspecting and reinstalling or replacing parts. Check spring bars for bends or rust. Bad bars cause strap failure, so replace if needed. To reinstall, insert one shoulder into its lug hole, compress the opposite shoulder with the tool, align, and release so it snaps into place. Make sure both shoulders are fully seated. If the bar won't seat, use a bit of light lubricant, magnification, and patience rather than force. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.